Okay, so question number 9. What is an addition reaction of alkenes? Okay, so addition reaction of alkenes. So this is when unsaturated hydrocarbons that can participate in a number of different addition reactions. So all of these different reactions can take place across their double or triple bonds. But for simplicity, I'll just show an example of an addition reaction across a double bond. So let's say we had an alkene when it reacts with a compound. So let's say compound XY, the double bond gets reduced to a single bond. So I'll just show all the hydrogens that are added. And X and Y are added to the carbons. Move this arrow out of the way. Okay, so I'll just write down some examples of different addition reactions. So different XY values. So this can include hydrogenation, so this is when XY can just be molecular hydrogen. So when you have an alkene reacting with molecular hydrogen and a metal catalyst, then the double bond can just get reduced to a single bond and hydrogens are added. So this is just the addition of hydrogens. You can also have halogenation. So this is when you add a halogen, so like chlorine or fluorine. I'm just going to denote it as X2. Or you can also have kind of like a combination of the two called hydrohalogenation. So this is when we have H and a halogen. So one of the carbons will have the hydrogen and the other one will have either the chlorine, fluorine, or bromine, depending on which halogen you use. It'll just add 1. Okay, so the junior tutor said that alkenes are organic compounds with at least one double bond between carbon atoms. Alkenes may react with other compounds to form a larger compound. This reaction is called the addition reaction. For example, propene will react with hydrogen bromide. Here, the hydrogen in hydrogen bromide will become slightly positive, as bromine will take all over its electrons, making it slightly negative. Since hydrogen is slightly positive, it will get the electrons in the pi bond of the carbon that is formerly in the double bond of propane, or propene, I guess. Markovnikov's rule applies here. That is, hydrogen will attach to the carbon with the highest number of hydrogen atoms. This will cause the double bond to become a single bond only. So they showed how the hydrogen was added to the side that contains more hydrogen atoms. So this is the left side. And then they showed the carbocation that was formed after the double bond was reduced. Now, since one of the carbons with a double bond formerly is now positive, the Br minus will then attach to it. So then they showed the bromine coming in to neutralize the positive charge, and then they are left with their product. Yep, so this solution is correct. I'll also just add some snippets of my answer as well. I can say that this includes hydrogenation, so the addition of H2, halogenation, X2, or hydrohalogenation, H.